Welcome, and thank you for volunteering to participate in the MACRO-2 clinical research study. The MACRO-2 study focuses on adults like you with Mycobacterium avium complex (MAC) lung infection that is resistant to previous treatments you've received. Typically, as a result of infection, sputum or mucus is coughed up from the respiratory tract. A MAC infection is confirmed by testing this sputum in a laboratory. The MACRO-2 study is studying how a medication used to treat adults with treatment-resistant MAC lung disease might completely kill the MAC bacteria. You joining the study is very important to AN2 Therapeutics. Within this video, we will cover the following topics for the preparation, collection, and shipping of your sputum samples: kit contents, collection of sputum, packaging instructions, shipping instructions. During the time you'll be participating in this study, you'll need to provide some sputum samples. You will receive a sputum collection kit to use at home from your study staff when it is needed. Each sputum collection kit will contain items such as 3 sterile labeled tubes, 6 biohazard plastic bags, 3 absorbent pads, 1 refrigerated shipper, 1 collection instruction sheet, 3 requisition forms with peel-off labels, 3 copies of the requisition forms, and 1 refrigerant pack. You will also receive instructions on how to contact the specialty courier to pick up the package. Remember, refrigerant packs need to freeze for a minimum of 24 hours prior to use, so make sure to put these packs in your freezer as soon as possible after receiving a kit. A collection instruction sheet will also be provided that lists the details shown in this video on how to collect sputum and complete the requisition forms that comes with the sputum collection kit. The requisition forms will contain pre-printed information, including a study ID, a visit number, and your subject ID. Review the pre-printed information on the labels and requisition forms to make sure they're correct.